In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs for VoiceOver. We'll walk through the essential steps to transform your script into a professional-sounding voiceover using their platform. Whether you're a content creator, teacher, or just someone interested in audio production, this tutorial will guide you from start to finish. First, open up your web browser. This could be on your computer or even on a tablet, whatever is most convenient for you. Now, once you have your browser open, you need to search for ElevenLabs. Go ahead and key that into your search bar and hit enter. This should lead you to the ElevenLabs website, where you'll need to log in. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account. It's a pretty standard process similar to signing up for other online services. Once you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is one of the core features of ElevenLabs, making it the perfect tool for generating voiceovers. Check that you're using the correct version, specifically the V3 model. This is crucial as it ensures you're working with the latest updates and feature enhancements that the platform offers. With that set, it's time to add your prompt. This is essentially the text that you want to be turned into speech. If you have certain tags, such as specifying a mood or tone, feel free to include those here as well. These tags can really help in tailoring the output to suit the style and emotion that you're aiming for. Now, it's time to choose a voice. ElevenLabs offers a range of voices, each with unique characteristics. Spend some time exploring different options to find the one that best matches your project needs. Once you've selected a voice, click on the Generate Speech button. The platform will process your input and create speech from your text. After the speech has been generated, it's a good idea to listen to it carefully. This will allow you to catch any discrepancies and ensure the tone matches your expectations. When you're happy with the result, there's an option to share the audio. This is useful if you're collaborating with others or want to gather feedback before finalizing your project. Finally, you can now use this audio file as your voiceover. Whether you're adding it to a video, an online course, or a podcast, it's now ready to be implemented into your project. ElevenLabs makes it incredibly straightforward to achieve professional quality results, even if you're working on a tight budget or timeline. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using ElevenLabs for your voiceover needs. Don't forget to explore their various settings and options to fully leverage their capabilities. Happy creating!